Yo, what's going on, guys? Joel Kaplan here. Want to make a massive shout out for the legend George Moulos. If you're looking for someone to help you sell your business, or if you want to buy a business, he is the guy that I recommend. And for those of you guys that don't know me, I'm an 8-figure entrepreneur. We've done over $30 million in sales. I've helped over 100 clients scale to the 7-figure mark. And what's crazy is that George has helped a bunch of those clients exit for millions and millions of dollars. So I've sent a ton of people to George who want to sell their business. He's taken them through the entire process, helping them find a buyer, helping them with all the legal work, helping them with negotiating, helping to make sure that they get the absolute most out of the deal. And the best part, he actually gives a fuck about you and is going to do whatever it takes to get you the most amount of money and protect your business when it gets passed on to someone else. So I've seen it firsthand. He's taken some of my clients' businesses and sold them for millions of dollars. And he's the guy that I go to for all things buying or selling businesses. So with that in mind, huge shout out to George. Definitely use him. Or don't if you don't want to sell for a lot of money, or if you want to buy a business and get a shitty deal. But if you want to buy a business at an amazing deal or sell your business and get the most amount of money, then go to George.